Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shamsy here. Part 2 of the manifold install. I'm currently on my way to AJ Automotive to get the car dynoed. Let's see how much power it's making currently with the current manifold. The mods I've done to this car is I got a Go Fast Bits DV. I got a Revo crossover intake with the RJH Auto Style pod filter. What else? Standard exhaust, R Sport intercooler, stage 2 intercooler, and hopefully I think it's gonna make 235. If it makes that, I'm happy because of kind of got exhaust. You know what I mean? If it makes more than that, I'm gassed. Happy stage 2. But yeah, without further ado, let's actually carry on going towards the dyno and yeah, slap it off. I got one light out. Yo, part 2, new day. Let's talk about what happened on the dyno. So we got the baby dyno, yeah, but she only made 230.1 horsepower, right? And we found out a bunch of hidden issues with this car. Like, we have a lot more videos to make on YouTube. I tell you that for free. So obviously with this, what the fuck, bro? Man was rapping, bro. What? Anyway, my plan with this car is I don't want to worry about nothing. Like, I want to drive the car and just drive it, bro. So any little issue, any problem needs to get fixed ASAP. Do you understand? So at the dyno, we made 230 horsepower, or 230.1 on the 30.1 in there, and 297 foot-pound of torque. I think that's how you read it. It says FT LB MPH. I don't know. But yeah, the graph. Yeah, it's pretty straight. Now, it's not AJ's fault. The software was playing up. He was on the phone to technical support trying to get some help. But this is as straight as it will get. Like, we was even doing extra dyno runs, like trying to get the graph straight. And yeah, man, heat soak. Bro, when I told you that these cars run hot, I didn't realize how hot they actually run. Like, my Revo intake with the turbo elbow on it Oh, you guys haven't seen that video. I didn't record that video. Anyway, sorry about that. So my crossover with the reverb intake and the RJH auto style pod filter was literally, yeah. And the fact that I drove it there and then slapped it straight on the dyno didn't really help. 40 degrees intake temps, twice as normal, so you will get a lot of heat soak. The air going into the car isn't dense, so less horsepower. But obviously 10-15 degrees cooler, you will see like 30 horsepower improvements or whatever. But yeah, currently with the odd manifold, we were making 230 horsepower. Actually, to try and make this a fair test, I'm not going to change anything on the car at the minute. I'm going to throw the tubular manifold onto the car and see if we make more or less horsepower. Now, that's going to be an interesting one. So please stay tuned for part 2. I found out that I can use any copper washer to do the manifold and the coolant lines for the manifold. So expect to see that on the car pretty quick. So yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on. That's a dyno printout. First dyno printout, there it is. You guys can pause it and read it. Let me try to make it straight. I ain't got the PDF version, I'm sorry. But yeah, read it, pause it, all of that. Yeah, done. So 230, I'm happy. I also didn't know that the torque falls off at, bro, it goes up and it just dies. It just dies. Ford, what are you doing? The horsepower, it continues. Like the other graphs, decent. This graph is the best I'm gonna get. But yeah, man, massive shout out to AJ Motorsport. I really appreciate them for fitting me in such a short notice. Like I said, first turbo car, first dyno session. Bro, everything is a first for me, man. I'm super excited, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, without further ado, it's been your boy Shamsy signing out. Peace.